This video is a complete tutorial for HustleGotReal users to properly connect their store to the platform's API. Learn how to fix API disconnections, relink channels after password changes, and troubleshoot connection issues. I wanted to remind you what an API connection is. So API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a connection bridge between your selling platform, eBay or Shopify, and HustleGotReal's automation system. This connection enables automated product listing, inventory monitoring, price updates, and order processing. It allows your store to be always connected to your platform. So I'm going to show you how to relink your store. This happens when there's an API disconnection. It can happen because you change your password or because eBay changed something in the system. So it doesn't frequently happen, but sometimes your store just shows as disconnected, and it's a very simple process to follow. You just have to relink your account. So I'm going to start by adding an account using an API connection. So it's super simple. I'm just adding a new store on eBay Spain. I'm already a seller, and I'm going to connect using eBay API. So right now, I'm just adding a new store, and I'm connecting it to the API. So it's redirected to eBay Spain. So right now, I'm going to put my password. Okay, so you just have to click on OK. You just have to accept the connection. Okay, so now my store is successfully connected to the API. As you can see, it's very easy. So what I'm going to do now is change my password on eBay. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so I already changed my password, so the API should be disconnected now. So we're going to connect it again. What we have to do is go click on settings, then click on store. Then inside store, we click on channel section, and then we just have to relink the store by clicking here where it says relink. Super easy. So now it should redirect us again to the platform to connect it again. So just put your new password. Click on accept. Okay, so we connected it successfully now. This process should take you no more than 3 minutes. If after doing this, your connection keeps failing, clear your browser cookies and then try again, or ensure that you're using the correct credentials, correct password, and check if your platform account has any restrictions or suspensions. Okay, so that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you connect your store properly and that you're one step closer to success. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.